comes together Michelin and Citibank makes a lot of sense because what Michelin is associated with is high standard of food and restaurant. And not only is it in fine dining, but also it has an array of restaurants that are wonderful for our customers. Well, first of all, I think dining itself is a very important category for all our customers. But dining in particular holds a very important place because we all love to eat. And especially when it comes to fine dining, it's the full end-to-end experience and the whole journey that together we, with Michelin together, can offer to our clients.
Has been very proud of having great offers for their customers on dining especially, and customers really give very good feedback. And Michelin is very famous in that area, so we were very happy to partner with Michelin in this particular area so that we can bring the best offers to our customers. And they really value it, especially our high net worth customers who really enjoy the moment and enjoy the style of dining that Michelin has to offer.
Michelin Guide Dining Series is about offering bespoke and unique dining experience to our exclusive partners. We also like to celebrate Thailand's culinary scene and talented chefs. So Michelin Guide also encourage culinary innovation. So Michelin Guide Dining Series is like a playground to the chefs where they can really express their personality, their creativity, and at the same time, they have to be open up to work together to craft a beautiful menu that is harmonized the both personalities at the same time. So the result is not only a unique menu that has never been experienced anywhere else before, but also a friendship that would last long in the industry. That is something that we are very proud to see along the way.